Yes. Hey, little man. I just thought I'd try to catch his tiny cry on video, but now he's gonna stop. Yeah, see, I'm comfortable again. I like my squishy bed. You gonna open your eyes? Hey, buddy. It's been a rough couple of weeks, but you're doing great. You're doing so great. I do not like to be messed with. Oh, sweet boy. Thanks for letting me hold you. Thanks for tolerating it for a little bit.
Say no thank you, Mommy.
Oh, nice and cozy, comfy. Cozy, comfy.